Ang problema kasi, Jomski, sina Kong, hindi sila normal na tao lang.
Well, di ba ang magandang katanungan din dyan is, si Lenny, hindi rin naman siya normal na tao. I mean, I don't know what to call her. It's like, Diyos, poon, idol, or whatnot. But I'm sure he's also, or she's not also an ordinary person. So, right now, we are going to dissect what's the difference between the previous event and itong ginawa ni Lenny. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Ang mga normal na tao, meron silang privilege para sabihin na, ito yung sa tingin kong tama, yan ang sa tingin mong tama, respetuhin mo yung desisyon ko.
Well, I don't think that it should be that way. Na pag normal kang tao, yung opinion mo towards something should be respected automatically. Okay? Especially if yung pagiging mali nung statement is glaring and damaging.
Ang isang jeepney driver, pedicab driver, wala naman silang 12 million followers kagaya ni Kong. Influencers, vloggers, celebrities, and content creators carry a much heavier weight when it comes to endorsing politicians.
And should the politicians themselves, which has also influence, not only influence but also power, be wary of who they are endorsing?
Kasi meron pong nanonood sa kanila araw-araw, minu-minuto. And more often than not, yung pong demographic ni Kong madalas yung pangmasa. Hindi naman po sa sinasabi nating mali. Ang sinasabi po natin, sayang. Kasi dun sa reach na meron ka, dun sa demographic na nanonood sa'yo, nagkaroon na po sana tayo ng opportunity para i-endorse yung mga karapat dapat po talaga na merong credentials, may kakayahan, may abilidad, malinis ang track record, hindi trapo, competent, capable. Kasi sayang talaga eh.
Well, sa mga binanggit niya, ilan doon ang meron si Manny Pacquiao? Isa? Di ba? Parang sabi niya nga, with the reach that they have, pwede ka naman mag-endorse ng competent, ng may track record, na may ibubuga ng magaling, but you chose to endorse Pacquiao. Ngayon, fine, hindi iboboto ng mga kakampings, but the question remains, bakit i-endorse ni Lenny ang isang incompetent? Ngayon, yung standards nyo from endorsing someone who is incompetent suddenly vanish like into thin air. Bakit? Again, that's a moving goalpost. Ibig sabihin, nagbabago yung objective, yung pamantayan ng mga tao because, okay? Bakit? That's a good question to answer. Bakit bigla kayong nagbago? Is that to accommodate yung endorsement ni Mama Lenny nyo? Na kung saan, again, naging from the high standards, naging pwede na to. 'Di ba? From the pure white robes, naging pwede na to. O, 'di ba? Back to you, kakampings.
It would have been the perfect opportunity to shed light on the people that can actually serve the people. Kaya nga po sinabi ko na I find it really ironic na yung nagpasikat sa'yo, yung nagpalaki ng pangalan mo, ay ang masa. Pero ang dinadala mo sa masa, hindi yung mga politicians na pangmasa po talaga.
Boom! Biglang trinash talk si Lenny. Bakit di mo in-endorse yung mga taong may capability, yung magaling, yung may track record, hindi lang basta mabait? 'Di ba? Bakit ngayon? Pwede na yan. Kasi kailangan niya nakakampi. We are now making excuses para mag-adjust doon sa narrative ni Lenny. Isn't that a sign of idolatry as well? This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.